Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at this Xbox original disk drive. This disk drive itself, let me see if I have the screwdriver. Here we go. Needs to have a replacement disk drive, but it seems that there is another way instead of getting rid of this disk drive. In fact, almost any disk drive, except for things I think it's only the Wii's that don't have them, that I know of, that game consoles that don't have them, are the Wii's. What it's supposed to do, after I push this down, what it's supposed to do is change the voltage of the, there we go, I can pull this out now. It's supposed to change the voltage of the laser so that you're able to get a signal if it won't read the disc. So there's there's this little potentiometer. It'll look like a screw inside right here if you can see it. Sorry if you can't see it. It's like at an angle down there, but if you turn it just a little bit, counterclockwise, if it wants to move for me, which it doesn't really want to. You know, I really do hate my screwdrivers a lot. There we go. And you just turn it just a little bit counterclockwise. It will turn down the resistance, and you'll hopefully get enough voltage so that will read your disc. That's really all I need to talk about in this video. You put your ribbon cable back. Don't know if this for sure works, but I'm pretty sure it does because it works on Xbox 360s, computers, and a couple other things it works on. So, GameCubes. So, if you get two, most likely you will have to look up that disk drive specifically to know which one you're using, voltage-wise, yeah. So, you just put this back together. Cool, dead bug parts all over me. Oh, I love dead bugs. You put them on, you put it together, as so. You only have to turn the, potentiometer just a little bit. You put it back together like this. Sorry for the bad angle. I'm using a freaking chair, if you can probably see what I'm using. Oh my freaking god. It's not, like, in, I don't think. There we go. That's why I didn't go in. Stupid piece of junk. So you just... whatever. You just put it together, and technically that's all you do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.